But to be honest, I don't think they've played very well. I think they're still a little bit fortunate in many instances. They've only scored four goals, and if you look at even those 4 goals, Gaston Serinho one would be the goal that you say it was. But it's a penalty, it's a transition against Richards Bay, and it's that transition against Polokwane City with a rebound and all that. So, but from where I'm sitting, I'm not too sure about their strikers and their attack. I don't think that team has performed to the level that I think we should be praising it as much as we see the results that they favored them.
Ababukeli bethu bawathumelile kama-video abo bephawula ngalolu daba.
Mfowethu mina engikuthandayo kuthe kuqala igame ucoach weGolden Arrows Manquba Mithi simhambulile ukhulume kabi ngeteam yethu wathi thina sinenhlanhla akazi skora kanjani uyekudaba uManqoba Mnqithi usidelelile during the week wathi hayi siyadlala but asikho convincing. Oyikohleni
no bhuti uManqoba akayeke ukuba nejealousy ngiyazi ukuthi uyafuna ukucoach iChiefs kodwa iChiefs ayikambizi.
So Manqoba uthi unomona yikho ecathi
ayeke ufuna ukuxoshisa ucoach wethu kuze angene ngo-back door. Sekhathela avela kaHollywood.
Namhlanje bamfisa vele ukuthi simkhombiseke ukuthi siconvincing. Uyitholile impendulo namhlanje.
Bricado. Inchi through Poisson. Hampega nje ngena namatotwe inkinga Sereno. Uyaba inhle ibola. Wathi kuyadliwa lokho to Flavio Silva.
And let me tell you something, since I'm the only person who's qualified to say this, Kaizer Chiefs is now back.
bayoze bethi bhuti bengathandi